Hey folks, I woke up this afternoon and I looked outside. It was pretty windy, so I looked outside and all the snow that we got yesterday's melted. It's gone. And most of the snow that the monster accumulated is melted, and there's a big puddle on the floor now. I wasn't going to go out today. It's kind of miserable. We got pretty much everything last night. Rain, snow, ice, freezing rain. It was just nuts. But at least we didn't get the wind. So that's what we're getting now. And after I got back from being out last night, I got a snow squall watch and wind warning. So the wind is here now. And we did have a squall come through. There's not a whole lot, like it's widespread, but it's not thick. It was just kind of a line of snow that came off the lake and dumped on us, so we got a little bit. But it's not really snow. It looks like gravel. It's the styrofoam balls. And it doesn't look like there's much behind it, unless something's popped up since I looked at it last. So it is possible. But I gotta go out. I gotta do a little bit of shopping. And my zipper repair kit has arrived. So I didn't get a delivery notice. Just remember, I was looking at it and it left Kitchener yesterday, so I kind of figured it would be here today. Today is the 6th. Yes, the 6th today. So it's 3 days early. That's okay if you don't mind. If I get a attempted delivery notice, that means it won't fit in the box and it's been carted. So I gotta grab the card and take it to the counter at the post office and collect my prize. But I didn't get any kind of notice, so I checked Amazon and it said delivered today. So that means it's in the box. It's just a zipper repair kit. It's not very big, so it'll probably be in an envelope or something, which will fit in the box. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. It's so windy. It's not cold. It's like +1 degrees right now. So that's like 34, I think, degrees Fahrenheit. So it's above freezing, but the wind chill is going to be nasty. I had a few gusts hit the house. I actually felt the air come in the window. So it's just pushing pretty hard. But we haven't had any power outages, no flickers or anything up to this point, so hopefully it stays that way. Because it's supposed to be windy on until tomorrow, so it's nuts. So I don't think there's anything else to say. Let's go get my day done. Crazy wind out there. Oh. It's interesting. Everybody in town has their flags at half-mast today, but nobody knows why. So I noticed at Tim Hortons, their flags, all 3 of their flags, they got the Canada flag, Ontario flag, and North Huron flag, and they're all at half-mast. So I got up to the window and asked, and to quote him directly, I do not know. So, okay, town flags are at half-mast, post office flags half-mast. So I decided to ask the post office. I had to go to the counter anyways because there was nothing in my box. So I went in and asked them. I said, well, I got notice that it was delivered. I said, not a delivery attempt, which means it's been carted. So apparently it arrived at the post office. It hadn't been carted yet. So they're like, it's like, yeah, almost closing time. Yeah, it's like 4 to 5 right now. So they're so swamped right now with deliveries and parcels and stuff. So they're behind. So she went searching, she found it. So that's cool. So I got my zipper repair kit now. So I asked them, and they don't know either. They said they were told to lower it. So I don't know. You would think, if you have to lower the flags, you'd know why, or at least ask, you know. But apparently they have a calendar. Calendar says today the flag gets lowered half-mast, so that's what they did. That's crazy. So I was just gonna come straight home, but I decided to go down to the river. Take a break down there. The other river's up a little bit. This one doesn't seem to be, the main one doesn't seem to be up much. I'm not exactly sure how much rain we got yesterday. Or last night, overnight, whatever. So, it doesn't seem to be too bad. I guess I have to wait and see what it's like tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to go out tomorrow. I didn't even want to go out today, but because my package was at the post office, that's why I went out. But that wind is just nuts. Wow. So I guess that's it. Another one in the books. Thanks for watching. Okay, hey, quick update. I've been working on these bolts for the roll bar extension. Yeah, I've been soaking them with the liquid wrench, trying to get something in there to release them. They're pretty rusty. So I just tried them for the first time and all four of them came loose, so I'll be able to take the roll bar extension off. Yay! However, after I did that, I looked up and I see this. You don't get to see my tour today, guys. I forgot to turn the camera on, for Pete's sake. So, camera didn't stop recording today. I never even started it. Oops. So I guess this will be a quick video. It'll just be an information video today. Oops. So, okay, that's all I got. Thanks for watching, guys.